Welcome student. Today we will learn about a new chapter, polynomials. Students, we have already learned about addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomial, multiplication of polynomials in previous classes. Students, today in these topics we will define what is polynomials. A polynomial in X is algebraic expression. A polynomial in X is an algebraic expression which powers of X only whole number, which powers of X only whole number. Students, for a general form of polynomial, Px, P stand for polynomial and X in a variable X. We can write A0 plus A1X plus A2X square plus A3X cube plus you can write A4X to the power 4 plus an x to the power n, an x to the power n, where n is whole number 1 2 3 4. ये x की पावर जो हो गई n इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 अनंत, infinite. Students, this is the general form of polynomials. Students, now we understand with an example, the polynomial example 8x square, 8x to the power 5 plus 3x cube plus 5x plus 3. Students, you can see students, this is a polynomial and with the help of this example we can find what is the degree of polynomial. Students, degree यानी x की जो सबसे बड़ी पावर होती है, सबसे बड़ी जो घात होती है वो डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल स्टूडेंट्स होता है. Just students, and the terms 1 2 3 4, this is 4 terms. यानी mono terms, mononomial. Mono means if any polynomials having one terms, यदि किसी polynomial में एक पद होता है, for example, next example you can see 2x cube, that is only one term, पदों की संख्या एक है, that is mononomial, that is mononomial. You can take such as different example. Mononomials, that more clear students. Number of term 1 term, only one term. Term means पद, पदों की संख्या जब एक होगी तो mononomials. You can select more example, 11x, 3x cube, just something you can take your frequently example of monomial. And the binomial, bi means number of term, two term, पदों की संख्या दो होता है स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज नोन एज बाइनोमियल्स. स्टूडेंट्स, number of term, if the number of term is 3, if the number of term is 3, then that is example of trinomial. Students, example of binomial 3x with 5 minus 3x या 2x you can take with your choice. देखिए, say here 3x to the power 5 minus 2x, it means in this polynomial number of term 1, 2. This is known as binomial. Binomial. Number of term 3, यदि पदों की संख्या पॉलिनोमियल्स में स्टूडेंट्स 3 हो, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स 3, that is known as trinomial. Trinomials स्टूडेंट्स 4x cube plus x square students minus 3x, that is number of term 3, that is number of term 3, that is known as trinomials. Trinomial. Students, now we have to learn students degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomials? Degree of polynomials, students, the highest power of the x in the given polynomial, that is known as degree of polynomials. Students, in this sequence we can see degree here, degree of polynomial, this polynomial highest power of x 5, so that's degree of polynomial. degree of polynomial 5. मोनोनॉमियल्स में डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल 3, here degree of binomials 5. It means students, to find the degree of polynomial we have first select the power of x, highest power of x. Here 1, here 2, here 3, highest, that is 3. That 3 is the degree of polynomial. Now we will continue students our exercise 2.1, chapter 2nd 2.1, and we will learn about question about the polynomial. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 students. Let's carry on. Students, first question: which are the following expression are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Polynomials of one variable polynomials of one variables. Students, which is? Which is polynomial of one variable? For example, students, question number 1. Here given students 4x square plus minus 3x plus 7. This is NCERT 2.1, question number 1. 3x plus 7. Second one, students, y square plus under root 2. Third, students, 3 under root 2 plus t under root 2. Fourth students, y plus 2 upon y, and fifth one students, x to the power 10 plus y cube plus t to the power 50. In these given polynomials, we have to find out which is polynomials of one variable. Students, and we have to respond the answer which is not. What is the reason? Students, all the first example you can see 4x square minus 3x plus 7, all the indices of x whole number, so it is polynomial of one polynomials of one variable of x. स्टूडेंट्स x जो x की जो पावर्स हैं, स्टूडेंट्स जो पावर्स हैं, ऑलरेडी इन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड द पावर ऑफ x ओनली होल नंबर हैं। x की घात पावर 2 1 यानी 1 and 2 पावर ऑफ x इज होल नंबर it means that is polynomial of one variable. Here variable x, only x, not just like fifth example. Fifth there are three variables x, y and t. And in first example, you can see students only one the variable of the polynomial is here x, here also x. But in fifth example, you can see the variable are x, y, and t, three variables. Students, already in the definition of polynomial, we have learned power of polynomials is whole number of one variable, that is known as polynomials. Students, first, your first example of the question is polynomial. Second one is also students, the power of y is whole number. The power of y की जो पावर है, घात है, देखो students, that is 2 1 2 3, that is whole number. So this is polynomials of one variable. This is polynomial of one variable. Polynomials of one variable. Students, you can students you can see here the power variable is only one y, and the power is whole number. The power of y is whole number. This is polynomial of one variable. That is response of our answer. And third, students, you can see the power of variable only in this polynomial. This is t, under root t and t, but power under root t, that is half. Under root t का मतलब under root t that is equal to t to the power half, under root t. It means the power of t, variables की पावर जो है half है, not students whole number, that is rational number, not whole number. This is not a polynomial. It is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. P-O-L-Y. It is not polynomial. Students, third is not polynomial. What is the reason? What is the response for our answer? Only reason, student, the power of variable t of given the power of variable t that is not whole number, that is a rational number. So it is not a polynomial. And next one, students, fourth numbers, you can see, you can write y plus 2 upon y. That's denominator. You can changeable y inverse, y to the power minus 1. You can write this y plus 2y to the power minus 1. Students, you can see here the exponent of second term is minus 1, which is not whole number. So it is not polynomial. In this, the exponent of y, variable y का जो exponent power है, that is minus 1, that is not whole number. Then not, this is not polynomial. Not polynomial. Not polynomial. Second one, students, in last question, last polynomial, x to the power 10, y to the power 3 and t to the power 50. It means, students, here the variable are x, y and t. Here variable are x, y and t. While we have to define already a polynomial in x, algebraic expression of x, the power of x is whole number. It means only one variable. But here the number of variable is 3, x, y and t. So it is not polynomial. It is not. You can write x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50 is not polynomial. Now, students, we have to carry on question number 2 of the exercise 2.1. Question number 2, write the coefficient of x square in each. x square की कोफिशिएंट मतलब गुणा वाला अंक, गुणांक राइट करना है स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट इज सिंपल क्वेश्चन. राइट द क्वेश्चन टू write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. First, 2 plus x square plus x. You can see, students, second one, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Students, pi upon 2, pi by 2, x square plus x. Fourth, student, under root 2x plus minus 1. We have to find the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square in each. Students, definitely that is very clear. X square in this polynomial, first x square, x का गुणा वाला अंक, coefficient means गुणांक, गुणा का अंक. It means coefficient of x square, we have there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 trinomials, and here x square, the multiplication of the number of x square is hidden 1, multiply by 1. So x square means 1x square. जैसे आप x means लिखते हैं, x means 1x, 1x and exponent, it means power 1 and coefficient गुणा वाला अंक 1. students 1x, it means 1 into x, that is x. So here coefficient of x square, it means 1 into x square, and 1 is identity, 1 से multiply करेंगे तो वही मिलेगा आपको. So that's students 1 into x square, that is x square. It means in x square 1 is hidden. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. The coefficient of x square is the coefficient of x square is 1. Now in second you can also coefficient of x square, here minus x square, it means minus 1. 1 into minus x square, that is minus 1. That is minus 1. So simple. Plus में plus 1, and that is 1 is here hidden. X square means 1x square, and here symbol minus, so that is minus 1. You can write, student, this implies the coefficient insert coefficient, the coefficient of x square in this polynomial is minus 1. And third one, coefficient of x square का गुणांक, गुणा वाला अंक स्टूडेंट्स, x square का गुणा किससे हुआ है? You can see pi by 2. So that implies, students, the coefficient of x square, that is equal to pi by 2. Second, last, students, coefficient of x square, here students 0. coefficient of x square, क्योंकि यहाँ पर x square term है ही नहीं, this binomial, there is no x square, only x to the power 1. So the coefficient of COE 0. Now students, we will continue question number 3. In question number 3, students, give the one example of binomial of degree 35 and monomials of degree 100. Definitely, students, in this question, write one example of polynomial of degree 35 of degree 35. स्टूडेंट्स, डेफिनेटली हमें जो है एक बाइनॉमियल लिखना है, राइट? विच टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनॉमियल? Binomial, it means binomials of degree 35. Definitely you can write student answer. Definitely degree means power. Let's variable we have select x to the power 35. You can write here 2x plus x. Yeah, you can take other example. You are arbitrary. आपसे अच्छा से कोई भी example ले सकते हैं. 5x to the power 35 plus 7x. Yeah, you can next example 2x to the power 35 minus 9x. Lot of example you have to select the degree of binomials. The degree of binomials of the variables is 35. And next, a monomial, that is binomial. All are binomials. सभी binomials हैं students. All are the example of binomials. Next, students, monomial of degree 100 डिग्री के मोनोनॉमियल्स का एग्जांपल, दैट्स एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट्स. Select variables students. X to the power 100, x to the power 100. You can also write another example, 5x to the power 100. One can also write 3x to the power 100. A lot of example you can take students. Now carry on question number 4 of this exercise. Let's join students. Question number 4. Write the degree of following polynomials. Students, write the degree of following polynomials. First, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Students, you can see here there is a three term 1, 2, 3. That is trinomial, and the highest power of variable x की जो highest power है students, you can see here 1. जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं लिखा है, that's be considered 1, 2 and 3. That is highest power 3. The highest power of x is 3. Which is degree of polynomial? So the degree is 3. You can student see in second question, 4 minus y square. The highest power of variable y is 2. That is 2. The highest power is 2. So this implies the degree of polynomials, that is binomial. Polynomial is students y to the power 2, highest power y की 2, that is degree is 2. And last in third question, that is 1, the variable t, that is power 1. The exponent of the variable t is 1, power 1 है. The degree, then the degree is 1. Degree is 1. And students, here 3, it means this implies 3x पे 0. किसी संख्या पे स्टूडेंट्स पावर 0, that is value 1. x to the power 0, it means 1. That's it means 3 into 0, 3 into 1, it means 3. So then the degree, degree is 0. Now we will continue. Question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Before we start to solve this problem, we can see students, linear, it means the power of polynomial is 1, power 1. Quadratic means power 2, and cube already you have noticed, cube मतलब 3, power 3. Now students, that is so simple. The power of x, yeah, you can write the power or degree power of x is, here you can see 2. Students, already the degree or power 2, that is quadratic polynomial, polynomial. And you can see simple, this is the power of polynomials, that is 3. The degree public power of x is 3. Students, power, if power is 3, that is cubic, that is cubic polynomial हो गया. Now students, here the power of highest power of the polynomial, that is 2, students 2, and the power of 2, that is quadratic. The power of degree, the degree of polynomial that is 2, that is, students, already classified the power of polynomials, a degree of polynomial 2, that is quadratic. And in fourth question, the power is 1, that is linear. The power is 1, that is linear. And in fifth, the power of the variable t is 1, that is also linear, because the power of polynomials is 1, that is linear. And sixth number question, the power of the variable r is 2, that is quadratic. And last, the power is 3, that is cubic. That completes the whole exercise. Students, you have to notate and practice this exercise 2.1. Okay, thank you.